What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about a new product from Boost Auto Parts. They came out with a high output cargo light for these 2015 plus tow mirrors, Chevy Tow Mirrors. They also have this running light mod that you can get from them as well. If you buy these off Amazon or anything like that, or already have a set, you can get the module from them. You can also get the light output, higher output lights. They also sell parts, like if you break a mirror or something like that. But I'm going to show you here in a second the difference, how bright they are. You can also get, I believe you can get these mirrors from them with the upgrades already in them. I'm not sure, you have to check on that. But anyway, I'm going to show you what they look like before and after. And that way you don't have to see the install if you don't want to. So let's get to it. Okay, so now all the lights are off. Here are the running light modification to these mirrors that I was telling you about with it blinking. I think it makes a huge difference. But anyway, here are, it's bright back here because I've got flush mount LEDs in the bumper. I'll leave a link to a video for that if you want to see that. But here are the high output cargo lights from Boost Auto Parts. And here are the stock ones. Huge difference to me. Look at that. It's definitely worth the money. These are something that I've talked to them about, and they ended up doing it. So I'm pretty excited about it. It's going to make it, I mean, it lights up the side of your truck way better. It's just, why would you not buy this, basically? So now you can click away if you don't want to see the install video, but I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super easy. Anyone can do it. And yeah, let's get set up and do that. So first thing you got to do is tilt the mirror all the way up and just kind of pull gently from the bottom until it pops out. Once you do, you unplug all the sensors in the back that go to, this one has the blinker in it and the heated mirror, so you got to unplug those. You do the same at the bottom, it comes right off. If you end up breaking the clips, Boost Auto Parts sells the pieces to replace it if you break the mirror or whatever. Even if you just need the glass, they sell that. Now, there's 4 screws that you take out, and this whole top piece comes off. So once you got the screws out, you just pull it off. Then you unplug the light that's already there. Then there's 2 screws holding it on. You take that out. Then you get your Boost Auto Parts one and get it ready to go. Now I'll show you the difference between the two. There's not much. They look exactly the same pretty much from the front. But the back, you can see it has a heat sink on the back for prolonged use. So that helps a lot. And also it's a little bit heavier, so weight sometimes tells you quality, I guess. But now we're going to take these screws out and put it in here, and I'll put it back on. And that's it. And I'll show you how to put it back together, even though it's the reverse of taking it apart. So now you just put it back together, the reverse order. It's pretty easy. All you do, plug the cargo light back in. Now the biggest thing is to make sure you get your wires that go to the mirror and drape them out, because if you don't, you'll end up screwing it behind there and you'll have to take it off again, and doing things twice sucks. So that's pro tip, and it's kind of hard to hold it on there. It will fall off if you don't hold it. Get a buddy to help you, or just hold it with your chest, whatever you got to do. Now once you got that screwed back on, you pretty much just take your mirrors and push them back on evenly. Top mirror, don't forget to plug in your heated mirror and your blinker, because you don't want to have to take it off again, because doing things twice suck. Once you got it all plugged in, just line it up, and it's on there, and that's it. Super easy. Anybody could do it. Your grandma could probably do it. At least mine can, because my grandma's cool. I don't know about your grandma, but anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link down below for the flush mount LED lights in the rear if you want to see that, and the dual function harness for the running lights. Make sure you subscribe. I got other content like Razors, Camaros, this truck, whatever. And we'll see you next time.